Hi, if you own the Craftsman 917 mower with the Honda engine that looks like that, and it isn't starting, it's often because of the auto choke. Let's take a look. So you go over to this box over here, which is the air filter cartridge over the carburetor. Now there's two retainer clips here that you can see at the top, and then you're going to snap those back, and that's how you open this up. Next, you take this air filter out. By the way, while you have that out, take a look and see if it's dirty. Maybe tap it out. So we're going to take a closer look at the choke itself. The metal plate back there is what's known as the butterfly. Mine is closed right now like a good choke should be. If you see on a cold engine that is open, it means it's stuck open. And that's why your mower isn't starting, because your auto choke has got stuck open. By the way, if you take everything off, make sure to have the fuel shut.